What are the three most dangerous words in the English language? I know that. And I'll wager the belief that you already know is what's holding you back. How do I know? Well, because for years I thought I knew what success looked like. I thought I knew what sacrifice required. I thought I knew how to push myself past exhaustion because I believed that's what leadership demanded. But that certainty was actually killing me. That certainty wasn't wisdom. It was a disease. And the stroke I suffered in 2020 was proof. My body had been whispering the truth for years, and I refused to listen because I knew better. And that illusion of knowing nearly cost me my life. And it costs many high performers theirs, not always in dramatic ways, but in the slow erosion of clarity, creativity, and soul. That's how I know, because I've lived it. I lived the collapse as the foundation of the illusion of knowing fell apart and took me with it. My life didn't shift until I embraced the art of not knowing. I didn't know how to rebuild. I didn't know what path would open. But by admitting that, I became teachable again. I became wonderful, full of wonder for the new things that lay ahead. And this humility also gave me clarity. This curiosity gave me a new energy. And the unknown gave me back my sovereignty. And this is the kind of work I do with clients, bridging the gap between who they are and the life they're truly here to lead. Now, if that resonates, tell me what you know, and if it might just be an assumption you need to challenge. Dream, dare, rise.